YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Rapid Lash. It's eyelash enhance serum, and then this is 3 milliliter, 0.1 floor ounce. So I got this out of eBay for, let me check real quick. So I got this out of eBay for $23.99 with the free shipping. A lot of sellers were selling this for like $50 or 40 something bucks. So this is the cheapest that I found. So hopefully it is in a retail box. Let's go ahead and check this out. So you gotta check it out on eBay yourself to find the cheapest possible, and then see if the seller is reputable or not. You have to check on the expiration date as well. I'm not sure why it's kind of smashed up. So that's a manufacture date 2017. Hopefully it's not expired or dried up, so you gotta be careful. Made in USA. Let's get this open real quick and see. Call this instruction booklet. Alright. Like different kind of languages. Then this is the bottle or whatever you call it right here, the tube. It's kind of skeptical about the manufacture dates on February 2017. So anyway, I'm gonna give this to my wife and then let her open it. Hopefully it's not dried up. If it's dried up, you got the eBay buyer protection anyway. So I can file a dispute with the seller in case, alright? So anyway, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Be sure to share this with your friend, family on social media. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.